Hello, everyone. My friends and I are so glad you can join us. Welcome to the island of Sodor. I'm Thomas. To watch Calling All Engines, choose Play Movie. If you'd like to take the express directly to your favorite parts of the movie, choose Story Stops. Finally, you can join Cranky at Brendam Docks for the many great fun and games on this DVD. Select your favorite part of Calling All Engines or choose Play All to watch the whole movie. Hi, I'm Cranky. Welcome to Brendam Docks. I'm unloading all of the fun and games Calling All Engines has for you to enjoy. If you'd like to help fix the island of Sodor after the hurricane, just like the engines did in the movie, you can choose Calling All Engines, the game. You can also choose the Diesel 10 Means Trouble read-along. Enjoy some music videos and songs and more. Or learn about your favorite Sodor friends in the character gallery.
Oh, hi there. I'm Henry, and I'm glad you can join me for songs and more. If you want to see what we dream about at night when tucked away into our sheds, choose the Dream Song. You can also sing along to the brand new version of the Engine Roll Call, or learn what is the same and different about Steamies and Diesel.
Iron Airy and Iron Bert love to tease Thomas and the rest of the Steamies. You can watch them cause trouble in two never-before-seen scenes from Calling All Engines. Here are some sneak peeks of other DVD titles from Hit Entertainment coming soon to a store near you. Welcome to Hit Extras, where you can enjoy a bonus episode from another great Hit Entertainment brand.